Are you with the rising demand for precise and clean wood cutting? Track saws are becoming an essential tool for both professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. WEN, known for affordability and quality, offers several great options. Whether you're a hobbyist or a contractor, choosing the right track saw can make all the difference.
List number
WEN 7.25-inch track saw CT1274 and 110-inch track saw track guide rail bundle.
This bundle combines WEN's powerful 7.25-inch track saw with a 110-inch guide rail, providing all the essentials for long, straight cuts. The saw boasts a 10-amp motor and a max speed of 5,500 RPM, capable of handling hardwood, plywood, and MDF with ease. Its plunging mechanism ensures safety and precision, while the rail system prevents drift and tear out. The 110-inch track makes this ideal for cutting full 8-foot panels with one pass.
Easy depth adjustments and bevel capabilities up to 45 degrees add versatility.
For woodworkers seeking an all-in-one cutting solution straight out of List 2, WEN Plunge Cut Circular Saw Bundle
with 100-inch track saw guide rail and adapters. This set is great for those who want a full plunge cut solution with compatibility in mind. The saw's 6.5-inch blade and 10-amp motor are ideal for precision cuts across various materials. The included 100-inch guide rail ensures accurate cuts on larger panels, and the included adapters make this kit versatile with other track systems. The plunge action is smooth,
and the soft start feature
reduces kickback. Great for cabinet makers or anyone needing sheet good breakdowns with clean edges.
It doesn't come with clamps, which might be necessary for more secure work.
List number WEN 7.25-inch track saw variable speed CT1274 corded electric. The CT1274 is a standalone saw that offers impressive power and versatility. Featuring a 10-amp motor and variable speed settings between 2,000 to 5,500 RPM, this model adapts well to different materials and cut types. It includes a built-in dust port, plunge cutting capability, and bevel cuts up to 45 degrees. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle make extended use comfortable. While the rail isn't included, it's compatible with WEN